guys to the HTML tutorial. My name is Ankit. In this particular HTML series, we have already learned some built-in tags in HTML like unordered list, ordered list, marquee tag, img tag. Now in this series, I'll start with the next tags or next built-in tags in HTML. So we'll start with anchor tag, that is a tag. Now inside the body tag, I will just write a anchor tag href and closing of anchor tag. Okay, now this a stands for anchor tag. This tag will be used for a navigation. If you want to navigate between one page to another, we can use this particular tag. Now for that I need to create one more page, so I'll just simply create new file with the name demo2.html. Okay, in this particular file simple I will create html head tag, body tag, and for our information I will just use p tag, that is paragraph tag. This is demo 2 page. Okay, I'll save this. Now again we'll move on to the demo 1 page. Now I want to navigate from demo 1 page to the demo 2 page. So simple, I will write in href, that is hyphen reference is demo2.html. Inside this anchor tag, I will write a label that will be displayed on the browser. So when you click on that particular label, you will navigate to the demo 2 page. So in this case, I will say demo 2 page is my label. So simple, I will save and go to the browser. So we'll see demo 2 is the link. If I click on this, we'll navigate to that particular page. Okay, here I can say back. Again I can back to the particular page. Okay, so again simple, we'll get the previous demo 1 page. Okay, now in this, if you again check the output, if I click onto the link, demo 2 page will be open in the same tab. In some scenarios, I need to open the page in a separate tab, in a blank tab. What you will do in that case is, we just need to add one more attribute, that is target, and we'll set the value as blank. So target equals to underscore blank. This blank value will be set, and this means that I want to open this page, that is demo 2 page, in a new tab or the blank tab. Now save the changes. Now check the output. Now if I click on demo 2 page, demo 2 page will be open in a separate tab. My demo 1 page is as it is, demo 2 will be open in a separate tab. Okay, right. Similarly, now as we have used text for a navigation, we can use image as well. For example, I will use anchor tag hyphen reference, same, suppose demo 2 page. I will say it again, target blank. Inside it, instead of a text, I will use img src. In this case, I will use some image, and for example, I will say laptop. Okay, and I will state its height is suppose 30 pixel, width is also 30 pixel. Now if I save, if you look the output in browser, you will get this image laptop 2. If you check, the icon is a hand. So when you click on this, it will again open the demo 2 page in a separate tab. Now we are getting the result as expected. But now if you place your cursor onto the laptop, you are not getting any information what is the link is about. Okay, so if you know this point to the your user, you can simply use title. So I will say demo 2 page. So inside the title I have written demo 2 page. I'll simple say save. Look the output. Now when you place cursor onto the laptop, you will get that particular title, demo 2 page. So user can understand, oh, this icon is for to navigate onto the demo 2 page. So if I click on this, so user will navigate to the demo 2 page. Okay, great. Now as we are using page for a navigation, you can use any other website for a navigation. For example, I want to navigate to the Google page. Okay, so simple, I will say here google.com. So I want to navigate to this particular page, so I will copy this URL. We'll go to our editor, anchor tag, hyperreference. Here I will simply say https www.google.com. So I want to navigate to this particular page. Simple. Again I will say target. I want to set to the blank. It should open in a separate tab, and here I will say Google Home. Save. Now if you check the output, so I'll just close the previous Google tab. You will be having Google Home as a link. When I click to this link, it will open in a separate tab with the Google page. Okay, so what do you understand by this? You can navigate to any page. You can navigate to the page by using image, as well as you can navigate to any another URL with a text, or simple, again if I want to replace the text with image also, you can do it. Okay, so these are the various ways of writing anchor tag. You can navigate to page, any URL, you can use text, you can use image. If you're using image, please use a title tag so that when user places the cursor onto your image, it will show some help text, that is demo 2 page. Okay, right. Now in the next series, we will start with table tag in HTML. Thank you so much for listening this video, guys.